Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to turn a perfectly lovely but very simple card into something a little extra special by adding some 3D effects to the picture. So first off, just gather any crafting supplies you think would look good with the card. Keep in mind the shapes and the color palette that you're working with. And then go ahead and start cutting out some shapes that make sense. For me, I'm working with a butterfly, so I'm cutting these felt flower things into wing shapes and then taking off a few kind of faux eucalyptus leaves to act as the bottom wings. I'm just gluing on one part of the leaves and one part of the wings because what I want them to do is create a lovely 3D raised effect and have the actual picture of the butterfly be down below, kind of like a cartoonized shadow. I think that'd be really, really cool. I do have some adhesive gems that I'm adding to the project just for a little bit of extra sparkle because you guys know I can't resist that. But for the most part, I'm really just kind of taking my cues from the picture and keeping it that nice muted color palette. Of course, this will change depending on which card you pick, but for this card, using a lot of faux florals just made sense. I can get a lot of shapes that are in the card on print, just with a couple really inexpensive floral bunches that you can find at the craft store or even the dollar store if you're looking for a bargain, and then just kind of fancy them up a little bit with adhesive gems. If you're not putting the adhesive gems straight on the paper, make sure you glue it down with some hot glue just for some added stability. For these little berries, I decided that I liked them better together, so I'm not separating them and it's too hot, so I'm using my multi-purpose tool to save my fingers from the hot glue. That is totally allowed and definitely encouraged. Just make sure that you leave at least half of the leaf not glued on so that it does do that lovely 3D effect. I'm covering all the little color splashes and dots with some adhesive gems just for some added sparkle. And then looking at it, I thought that my butterfly might be a little bit too muted for the background. I really want it to be the center focal point and to pop, so I'm adding a couple adhesive gems to the wings just to make it a little extra fancy. And these I glued down with hot glue because they're not sticking to paper, and I wanted to make sure it was a good seal, and I just don't think the adhesion that comes with them was going to be strong enough. So here is our before and after. You guys, you can see it turned out so cute. You can totally see the shadow of the picture under the 3D effect, and I just think it makes it look a little extra special. Also, because we did a butterfly, doing the 3D effect means when you shake it, it moves a little bit, which is really, really fun. Hope you guys liked the craft. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.